Hi, I'm Brant Phillips from Napco Security Technologies. Today we're coming to you to talk about our Gemini commercial series of control panels, which is a very unique commercial platform without compromise. The platform is made up of 3 independent sets of panels. First is our Firewolf control panel. That is a 24-volt analog addressable fire panel that also has conventional capability and wireless fire capability. With the Firewolf series of panels, we do have wireless smoke detectors, wireless heat detectors, and wireless input modules that can be attached to any fire-dry contact, be it a flow switch, a gate valve, a conventional pull station, or even a hood suppression system. Very soon, we'll be releasing an accompanying product, which is our StarLink GSM fire cell communicator. This will be a sole path fire communicator that will be available here within the next couple of weeks. Extremely affordable, extremely powerful, utilizing Napco's StarLink technology of signal amplification and easy installation and programming. Our next control panel in the series is our GemSEE Burglary control panel. This is a heavy-duty commercial industrial control panel that has all the functionality that you can need for your commercial applications, be it access control, addressable burglary, conventional burglary, wireless burglary, and it even includes UL Mercantile listed products, and that mercantile rating even extends to the wireless products. This is a heavy-duty commercial product that even includes 2 amps of auxiliary power to help meet your needs in your applications. Our third panel in the Gemini commercial series is our GemSEE Combo panel. The GemSEE Combo panel is a very unique combo panel in the industry that mixes all of the benefits of our Firewolf dedicated fire panel, our GemSEE Burglary dedicated burglary panel into one package. It is a fire, burglary, and access control combination system. But it's very unique in the fact that it is fire first and foremost. The burglary and access control portions of the system are 100% isolated from the fire system. So any interruptions in service, any maintenance that's performed on the burglary system has no impact on the fire alarm. Since it is based on the Gemini commercial series of products, it does feature analog addressable capability for the fire system, addressable burglary capability, conventional fire, conventional burglary, wireless fire, and wireless burglary capability, including up to 8 doors of access control. In the commercial series, you'll see all of the parts and components that you would expect of any quality fire alarm or any commercial burglary system. As an added service, Napco offers free commercial certification and training on this product line that is eligible for CEU credits for your license renewals. For more information, please contact your local Napco representative and we will take care of you.